Today I want to talk about what the key difference is between Trex decking and TimberTech decking. That difference is the amount of exposure to the elements for the wood fibers in the deck boards. The most significant difference is the fact that TimberTech is fully wrapped with a PVC cap to protect the inner composite material that contains wood fibers from the elements. Wood fibers in products exposed to the elements in Iowa, especially exposure to our freeze-thaw cycles, have experienced issues with moisture, and the old composite decking was one such product. So the difference with Trex is they only partially wrap their composite material for their composite decking, leaving some composite decking exposed to the elements. Next, the actual cap material for Trex decking contains wood fibers itself, whereas TimberTech does not. This will also affect the overall weathering of material over time. These two things are a couple of reasons we installed TimberTech exclusively for our decking material. More natural wood look, more choices, and a better warranty are other reasons why Buresh Home Solutions installs TimberTech over Trex. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and if we can help you with anything, let us know.